नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली व नुसल्लिमु अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Today we would like Surah Al-Fatihah in English. Translate of the first verse. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the worlds. And translate of the second verse. The entirely merciful, the especially merciful. And translate of the second verse. Soaring of the day of recompense. And translate of the four words. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. And translate of the five words. Guide us to the straight path. And translate of the six words. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have earned your anger or of those who are astray. सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. जो कुछ कहा सुना, सबसे पहले मुझे और आप हज़रात को अमल करने की तौफीक अता फरमाए. वमा अलैना अल बलागुल मुबीन.